Jana has been through a lot. Testing, chemotherapy, and now she's in the midst of her radiation. Her hair's growing back. It's wonderfully soft, and I'm sure Don has trouble keeping his hands out of it. She's reinventing her life with different perspectives.
Everything was an adjustment. I had to realize at some point that you have to be flexible. You can't give up because you can't drink your cup of coffee on the morning after chemo. But I could get up and make a cup of tea and sit there and drink it, or drink a glass of water, or just sit there and still try to enjoy the sun coming up. But you have to say goodbye to your life as normal. I think with the relationship changes I noticed was that some people, I immediately had this gathering of my friends and family members who turned into an instant support system. I felt like at one point it was worth it to go through cancer in the treatment because of this sort of overwhelming flow of support from people I cared about. Thought I had my priorities in a good place, but if you ever want to test your view of your priorities, then deal with something like cancer, which is, a giant eye-opener and makes you focus on what your priorities are, even if they are in a good place already.
We bicycled through Mongolia, we've been to Patagonia, we've been to, all over the world, China and Africa, and so it just gives you a different perspective about life, what's important and what's not important. And some of the small things that you didn't really realize before that were really important to you are some of the most important things when something like this comes along.
You have to learn how to enjoy every day, because you have to learn how to enjoy the present tense and stop worrying about the future, because there may not be something way off in the future. So if I've learned one thing, it's that there's going to be something really nice about today, and it's going to be a good day.